Welcome, my dear children. Here we are going to learn Unit 2 poem Noses. Children, tell me, do you like flowers? Yes, I knew that you all like it very much. Now tell me, why do you like it? Yes, because of its different color, beauty and smell. Now tell me, which sense organ of your body help you to smell? Yes, you are right. We smell with our nose. Nose is important organ of the human body. It is used to smell different objects. Have you all seen your nose in the mirror? Your answer is yes, right? So let's see, what does the poetess Eileen Fisher say about the nose in the poem? Let's read and revise. Noses. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing the way it grows. Stuck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair. And between there isn't much space to spare with my nose, like a handle sticking there. If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then no doubt you'll see how funny your nose sticks out. Let's revise. Everyone has a nose of different shape and size. According to the poetess, in this poem, the girl is wondering while looking into the mirror how the nose grows and how the two little holes in it helps us in breathing. Now children, which are the two little holes? What do we call for the two little holes? Yes, they are called nostrils. We have one nose and two nostrils. Further, she finds it funny. She compares the nose with a handle and finds it funny how it sticks on our face. She says, if you ever want to giggle and shout and you don't find anything funny, just look into the mirror and you will find your nose funny. Now let's sing the poem.
I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows.
I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows.
Funniest,
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 funniest.
stuck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes.
I looked in the mirror, I looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows.
My nose sticks out like a handle. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair.
I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair.
And between there isn't much space to spare with my nose, like a handle sticking there.
I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows.
It sticks out like a
handle.
If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about,
If ever you want to giggle and shout and you can't think of what to do it about,
just look in the mirror and then no doubt you'll see how funny your nose sticks out.
I looked in the mirror, I looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way
Let's learn the difficult words. Mirror. A shiny surface that produces images of object in front of it. Funniest. Something that can make you laugh a lot. Giggle. To laugh repeatedly in quiet but uncontrolled way. Breathing. The process of taking air into our lungs and releasing it. Children, what do we have learned from this poem? Yes, very good. We have learned that we should not be greedy. We have to enjoy our each day. We have to thank God for giving us nice things. And lastly, we have to be happy with what God has given us. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.